There's literally nothing to address, bro. She's wearing comfortable sweatpants, which is brand risk, bro. It's comfortable fucking clothing, bro. What's the issue, bro? It's comfortable clothing. Like what? Todd paid her. Like, look how weird you guys are, bro. She found that at a thrift store. Cringe. All right, we literally. This is like my last time scrolling. Hold on. She's whispering. I can't. Talking about. She has a boyfriend? Of course she does, bro. Every fucking girl has a boyfriend, bro. By the way. I'm not gonna say it, never mind. This is the one, trust me. Who is this? Like, what do you do? Bro, reports. How do you find something with like that with like literally 8 likes on TikTok? A random page too. Like, bro, some of you guys are genuinely bored as fuck to where you're like literally like scrolling for hours just to find shit like that. I found Kaylin. Let me see. No way Kaylin's streaming on Kick right now.
I had a lot of like
yo
frozen meatballs and
bro, you're weird as fuck.
like green beans.
Bro. First of all, why is this actually fun that we're actually like trying to find? We just need more streamers. Like if I had a Twitch account, it'd be actually a lot more fun. You know what I mean? But so everyone was wearing your pants. I know. Go to Twitch. I mean, Citrus, can I borrow your fucking account?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So in this video,
who put this shit? Yo,
To drink other sodas.
Yo, Zeno, what are you doing? God fucking damn it, bro.
Check to see if you're logged in on Tinder on your phone still from a long time ago.
Nah, I got a new phone.
Fuck. Because I need a number. My number is linked to mine.
Of course it is. Wait, would Tinder actually be good?
Yes.
But how do I match with girls and
You
shit?
just buy gold and then you swipe. Or blackpeoplemeet.com.
Fuck no.
Farmersonly.com.
Fuck no. Is there a Jewish one?
Find my burn victim.
JD, it's called. Oh my god. Rich profiles. Judy. Chat, where should our first date be? You're weird. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm out. Y'all being weird. The bank. Yeah, these kids need to die. I'm not even trolling. Some of you guys are actually like genuinely fucking weird. Like, what do some of you guys do? Yeah, I'm out. Ironic. Literally. Shit. He was watching your stream. Like, shut the fuck up. You guys don't actually fall asleep to my streams. Shut up. You guys are like this the entire time. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. No, you don't. Every day. No, you don't. Ha! Every day. Yeah, okay. My chat, bro. My chat is active 24/7, all right? So that's impossible. And that's cap. I'll tell you why it's cap. If you fall asleep to my streams every day on your iPhone, your phone would overheat. Facts. Chat, Kick is like the most overheating app ever. Like, it literally like just heats up your phone in like literally like 1 minute of watching. LOL. 2 viewers. Let's just go look at the Twitch people.